Is your Insignia Fire TV remote not working? Don't worry. Most remote issues are easily fixable with a few simple troubleshooting steps. The most common culprit behind remote failures is the batteries. Statistics show that 60% of all remote issues are battery related. Replace them with fresh, high quality alkaline or lithium batteries for the best performance. After replacing batteries, clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol. This removes corrosion and ensures a good electrical connection between the batteries and the remote. If battery replacement doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to repair the remote. You have two methods. First, hold the home and back buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds and follow the on-screen pairing instructions. Alternatively, you can navigate through the Settings menu, go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth devices, then Amazon Fire TV remotes, and select Add New Remote. These two simple steps, battery replacement and repairing, solve the vast majority of Insignia Fire TV remote issues. Try these solutions first before considering more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try a soft reset. Remove the batteries from your remote and wait exactly 60 seconds before reinserting them. If the soft reset fails, perform a factory reset. Hold the home menu and back buttons simultaneously for 12 seconds until the remote's LED light flashes blue. Wi-Fi interference can cause remote connectivity issues. The 2.4 GHz network is more crowded and prone to interference. Switching to a 5 GHz network can significantly improve performance. Physical positioning matters. Keep your remote within 3 to 6 feet of the Fire TV device and ensure there are no obstacles blocking the signal path between the remote and TV. According to Dr. Sarah Chen, a consumer electronics specialist, preventive maintenance is key. Replace batteries every 3 to 4 months and keep your remote away from heat sources like radiators or direct sunlight. Finally, remember that hardware failures do occur naturally. Most Insignia Fire TV remotes experience issues after 12 to 18 months of regular use. If all troubleshooting steps fail, it may be time for a replacement remote.